it's Justine. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a complete disaster clean with me slash undecorate with me because it's already January 1st and I still have not taken my Christmas decor down, and our house is just a complete disaster just from going through the holiday season and just being really busy. We were also sick in there, so I'm just gonna throw our whole recovery process from the holiday season into one video, and it's going to be epic. So I hope that you guys get a ton of cleaning motivation watching this. So if you guys missed my previous vlog, I mentioned that I am doing a whole theme this month of purging and organizing and going through my entire life, just decluttering and putting a system in place to organization, really. So we have gone to Target. Daniel's at Target now getting a ton of bins, and we are just going to start with the Christmas decor, putting it away in a very organized way. But also later this month I'm going to be doing our entire garage, which I also shared in my last video, and it is such an embarrassing mess. It's like the dumping ground for every time I clean out my house, and it's embarrassing. It really is. But we are going to be going through the whole garage later this month and organizing that, purging, decluttering. It's gonna be epic, so make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss out on that. And then there's also gonna be a ton more content surrounding like my clothes, the kids' clothes and toys, just every area in my house. I want it to be organized at the beginning of this year as soon as possible. So today we are just starting with organizing the Christmas decor as we put it away, and then cleaning up each room as we go. So here are all the bins so far that we've gotten to organize our garage. The ones that we have out there are all breaking, except for the two that we have that are, I don't even know what kind of plastic. They're just like a more flexible plastic. Those are the only two that have actually stood the test of time for us. The clear plastic ones seem to be really brittle and break more easily. So we are gonna go with all of these this year. We need a lot of them, and they're on sale right now at Target, so that is a really good win. This is one of our old ones that is still good, which we will switch out and use for other things down below all our garage shelves, which we'll see in the garage cleaning video. But there is a little bit more Christmas decor, so I'm just gonna switch it all over to those bins and organize everything as I put away. And as you can see, our house is a huge mess right now. I also got a wreath box because there are rodents out in our garage right now, and I just decided that everything needs to be just packed away and protected. So that is what we're doing right now. Okay, so we have one bin full of all the tree stuff all together. These are ornaments, and then underneath are like the lights and stars and garlands, stuff like that goes on the tree. And then in the bin down here are my pillows and throw for Christmas. And in this one, I'm just going to put out all the odds and ends and decor things that don't really fit into the other categories. I went into the kids' room already and grabbed all the stuff that was in their room. I had this little Christmas tree in their room, along with a couple other things on their shelves. I grabbed it because they just went down for a nap, and I want to get this video done before they wake up. So I'm just going to put all of that into the bin of miscellaneous decor. is all the decor that was in the kitchen. I'm just gonna put it together with all the miscellaneous decor in this bin. I'm probably not gonna redecorate some areas in this video because A, I can't find my normal table runner, I can't remember where I put it. And then B, I will be doing like the coffee bar, probably something for Valentine's Day. So I'll just be putting that all in a different video. I don't really have any tissue paper to wrap this glass stuff in, except for like one piece, that's all that's left. So I may go to the store and get some, but for now I'm just gonna wrap it in all of the Christmas kitchen towels that I have because that has worked in the past for me. Okay, so the house is now pretty much totally clean. We have the kids woke up early from their nap, so we're gonna stop the cleaning here. But we got all the Christmas decor down, which feels really great. Everything is pretty much back to normal, but I feel like there's kind of some sparse areas that I want to, you know, just spruce up a little bit. Like up there, I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do, so I will share all that in another video. Same thing with the coffee table. It just looks a little unpolished. And then the dishes are going in the dishwasher and there's just a lot of work that needs to be done in there. Anyways, I did find my table runner, which is nice. I really love this one. I've had it for quite a while and just, I love the macrame. We have 5 bins filled here. One is the Christmas trees and garlands. The other one is Christmas ornaments, miscellaneous Christmas decor, and later on we'll be putting the outdoor lights in it because there's a little bit more room in there. Throws and pillows, and then the last one is miscellaneous decor, because all of the Christmas decor and like Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day was all mixed together, and so I separated it out so that we'll have one bin for all the rest of that, because I do not decorate as much as I do for Christmas for the other holidays. So one bin is just fine. Anyways, so that is all for today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you won't miss out on any of the upcoming purging and organizing cleaning motivation. Make sure to give this video a like and comment down below if you got some cleaning motivation from it, or if you have any comments or tips for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are all having a happy new year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.